It's like 10:30 right now. Today has already been a freaking test day. Can't even talk. Today has already been a test day. I did not want to go to the gym this morning. I got up, I read, wrote in my journal. So I crossed some things off my power list. Yeah, tried to network with some people on Instagram. Just got back and surprised my Shui with some donkeys, kid.
Happy.
And she just put up a video and she's already gaining some traction with it, and I'm so excited for her because she works so hard and she kicks my videos asses, like seriously.
No.
Like she kicks my ass on YouTube, so it's glad to see that her consistency and her hard work's paying off because she deserves it. She deserves it more than me, because I've gotten a couple videos that have gotten like a crazy amount of views out of nowhere, and she's already gotten like a typical day's worth of views already. So it's awesome, and I was just telling her last night, like, this is the best one you've done. Like, it's the proof is in the pudding. So long story short to what I'm saying is, put in the consistency, put in the hard work, make a quality product, and the results will happen. Just have faith. So I'm so proud of her because she deserves it.
Thanks, babe.
Because she's taught me most of what I know on this shit. You know what I mean? Every time I get into a bind, I'm like, hey babe, how do I do this? How do I do that? I feel like a freaking nag. Babe,
No.
how do I do this?
No, I like.
This channel wouldn't exist without you. Seriously.
My channel wouldn't exist without you. I made it because you told me to, remember?
Yeah. That's true. But yeah. So I think that we're gonna do a little grocery shopping today. I don't know, it's rainy, it's dreary, but I'm gonna attack it anyway.
Yeah.
What do you guys think? Hat or no hat? I'm thinking no hat. Sorry, just watching some of my fellow YouTubers. Trying to leave some love, as I always do. I think it's really important, you know, reciprocity. I said it before, but just engaging with people and giving the love that you get. But for the general public's sake, I think I'm gonna wear the hat. Gonna head to the store with my baby. Get some stuff. There you go. She's in a rush. She's in a rush. She's in a rush.
Yes. Why? I just don't want it to be 5 o'clock.
Yeah, I know what you mean. It's already warm.
I just don't want it to be 5.
Some of them want to use you. Some of them want to be abused. It's a rainy, gloomy day. I hate these days. But I'm grateful I woke up this morning though. Virtually. We're over. It's a madhouse. It's a madhouse. In the foods of whole. It's a madhouse.
Oh! You get killed.
Literally almost died. This old man like waited until.
No, don't say old man. Elderly.
Yeah. He like literally waited until we got out of the car to take off. And he almost ended my life. I know.
It's not waterproof.
It's alright. I was like, damn. I was like, you knew my name? How? He's like, he's seen the channel, bro.
Yeah.
I wish. Maybe one day. Yeah. That's the only thing we need?
Yeah. I don't know. I just read this pretty quick.
Freaking. We good? We clear? So what are we getting? Just checking this out. Oh wait, I have the list.
Anything in refrigerator?
No. A list.
Oh, I kind of know in my head if I need help.
Oh, okay. No, it'll say it on there. Freaking pissed that I didn't open the bag for her. Freaking pissed.
Yeah. You know me.
Yep. Teamwork.
Yeah.
Trying to hold a camera.
This isn't as easy as it looks. What do you think? 3 avocados? 4.
I don't know. Your mom got a bunch.
I know, that was gone so quick.
I know. But that half is still in the fridge. I think we just ate them because, like, they were there.
Yeah, exactly.
Like, we had them with every meal because we felt obligated.
I want to get meat and chicken.
Doing so hot in the manners department. What about this top one right here?
I was thinking that, but there's more quantity.
Yeah. So we went with the basket. Bad choice. Going back to get a cart. In addition to the coffee aisle, this is also my other aisle. Peanut butter. Peanut butter. Or just nut butter in general.
You have powdered peanut butter?
Where most white people do not venture. The spices. Just kidding. But not really.
The rain.
The rain, go away. Come again, never.
You have to check if there's a mess before you go.
The only mess is right here.
Hot mess.
Mm-hmm.
Emphasis on the hot.
Mm-hmm. This little stir fry action we got going on tonight. Boys and girls?
Your boys.
I know. Still not 100%. Can't wait. About to go to the gym. About to go to the gysm. Is that weird?
Yeah. Go to the gym.
Alrighty. It's 9 o'clock at night. You know what time it is. for that. Arctic Zero sweetness. Yeah. Gonna crush this. Things I don't understand. Lord, forgive me. Put it to the spoon test. Babe. Do you want the vanilla? Yeah, she said actually, yeah. I am a sinner.
Oh God.
Who's probably gonna sin again.